Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bread pudding using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 6 cups of stale bread, which is perfect for soaking up flavor. We'll also use 4 large eggs, 2 cups of milk, and 1 cup of sugar to create that rich, custardy base. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon for warmth. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get mixing. Start by tearing your stale bread into roughly 1-inch pieces and putting them into a large bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together your eggs, milk, sugar, vanilla, and cinnamon until everything is perfectly combined. Pour this creamy mixture over the bread, making sure every piece gets a good soak. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes or even up to 1 hour. It's time to bake our delicious creation. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures even cooking. Carefully transfer the soaked bread mixture into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Pop it into the oven and bake for about 45 to 55 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it's golden brown and a knife inserted into the center comes out clean. It will smell amazing. Your incredible bread pudding is ready. Let it cool for at least 15 minutes before you dig in. This helps it set perfectly. It's absolutely delicious served warm, perhaps with a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream or a decadent drizzle of caramel sauce. This comforting dessert is wonderful for any occasion, from family dinners to a quiet evening treat. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.